Welcome to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya. In this tutorial, we will be solving some of the SQL hands-on that were asked during the Cognizant internship. The title of the hands-on is Department Name Based on Block Number. In the previous video, we have already created one department table and we inserted the records in the department table. In this tutorial, we will write a query to display the names of department whose department block number is equals to 3. Moreover, we need to sort whatever the result will come out of the query. We need to sort those records in ascending order also. First, I will fetch the entire data that is present in the department table and then I will filter out the data. So select star from department. The table name is department. So this will give me all the records that I have inserted in the department table. So these are the 3 records that we are looking for. So we need these 3 records only. So I will filter out the data by using the keyword where. Now the condition, that is department block number, is equals to 3. We need the only names of the department whose block number is 3. So where department block number equals to 3. So this will filter out the records as you can see on the screen. Now we need only department name. So I will remove the star and insert department name only. So this will give me only department name. Now come to the sorting of the records. In order to sort the records, we are using one keyword, that is order by. So whenever we need to do ascending order or descending order, we need one keyword, that is order by. So we need to sort this record order by department name. So I will use department name. Now this query will give us the exact result that we are looking for. If you write this query in Cognizant hands-on, then you will get the full point. If I will use DESC, then it will give me in descending order. So by default it is in ascending order, but if we write DESC, then it will give me in descending order. If I write ASC, it will give me in ascending order. I hope you liked my video. If yes, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments section. I am happy to answer all your queries. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.